So today we are celebrating Scorpio full moon, and I collected something from Master Tibetan. He says that the Scorpio is the most significant constellation at this time because it is channeling the energy of Sirius, the sun Sirius, and transmitting it to the hierarchy and to the disciples. And he says, for the first time of the history of humanity, hierarchy and humanity began to respond to the energies of the Sirius. Let me read it to you. Scorpio is the great constellation which influences the turning point of both in the life of humanity and the life of the individual human being. For the first time in the history of both mankind and disciples, the energy of Sirius pouring into the 7 groups which form our planetary hierarchy evoke response. It's so beautiful. There are a few words that I must talk about it. See, the turning point is just now, is just in the 2000. A turning point of the history of humanity, and the life of the disciple is approaching. If you make every kind of effort, striving to turn your life from darkness to light, from the unreal to the real, from death to immortality, you will be a totally different human being in a few years. It's very strange. In those days, maybe this week, I received 4 calls, and the call says, Torkom, I began to think that it is the time to change my life. What do you think about it? Can you help me? The first one was 28 years old boy. Second, third one, 2 girls, one from New York, one from Washington. They were crying in the telephone. They say, what is the matter that in these days we are feeling so depressed and we want to do something. We are depressed from ourselves. We want to change ourselves. Well, I wrote long letters to them and spoke in the telephone. But it is very strange that these days, maybe most of you or all of you are feeling that there is a need to change. You can't stay the man that you are, the woman that you are. Something definitely, basically must change in our character. Or else we feel that we cannot make it. Do we have such feelings? Raise your hands. Oh, how nice. See? That's real so. But you see, it's such an opportunity and a critical moment in your life, in our life, that when these kind of feelings come, we must catch it. Shakespeare says that there is a wave in every human life that gets up, then disappears. When it is up, the tide is there, you see, catch it. Don't let your conscience sleep and your consciousness sleep, both of them, conscious and consciousness. And then next day you say, well, I must live the normal life that I'm living. It is too dangerous to change ourselves. Or it is too late. Or it is too soon. Some young people say it is too soon until they have accident and they pass away. It's too soon now. There is no too soon, too late. It is just that moment that you feel to change yourself. So this is very important that at that moment, you see, turning point of your life, when you start feeling the energy of a Scorpio, that's the moment of turning your life into some different direction. Some direction that is related to love, to compassion, to light, to inclusiveness, to understanding, to gratitude, to forgiveness. Well, all these things that we are talking are nothing else but health-giving energies.